Hey you guys, I am making a lovely, healthy, vegan, delicious dal today. I'm cooking moong dal, which is, God, these onions are sharp. Whole moong dal, and I am going to show you. It is really easy, obviously, but these onions are going to add the lovely flavor and deliciousness to the dal. Here I have got 400 grams of moong dal or green moong bean, and now I'm going to give it a quick wash. I'm just going to soak this in. I have just poured a liter, actually 1200 ml of water into this. Goes in a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and now I'm going to bring this to a boil. I am cooking this in a pressure cooker, and I am going to cook this till I get around 3 to 4 whistles. And that's going to give me really soft lentils. But if you don't have a pressure cooker, you could make this in slow cooker. You could make this just in a pan, and that is going to take you around an hour of cooking. You might have to add a bit more water if it gets too dry. So an hour or so of cooking in a pan. So I've got a hot pan, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil here. So in the oil, once it's hot, goes in a pinch of asafoetida. If you don't have asafoetida, you can add chopped up garlic or grated garlic to this. I'm also going to add 2 red chilies. And then goes in 2 onions that I've thinly sliced, and I'm going to cook until golden. So I have cooked the lentils. I have let it cool down slightly. Never open a hot pressure cooker. Make sure all the pressure is out, all the steam is out. Oops. And look at that. That is looking lovely. Look how soft and properly cooked. Obviously it's absorbed all the water, which is fine. I'm going to just add some extra water to this, but it's beautifully done. Perfect. These onions are looking gorgeous, and now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of amchur powder. It's a dried mango powder, and if you can't find this, just add some lemon juice or lime juice. Also goes in a teaspoon of garam masala, and that's it. Now I'm going to take this off the heat. To these cooked lentils, because they are dry, I'm adding 400 ml of water. You can add less or more, or you can leave it quite dry like this. So time to plate it up. It's such a comforting kind of meal. So I have made this much because I'm going to serve this tonight with some piping hot chapatis. I will leave the link to chapatis in the description box, and whatever is left, we can have it with some rice another day this week. So you can leave it in a nice airtight box in the fridge, and it keeps really well. Just heat it up really well before serving, and these onions smell amazing. You can also, just after a few moments, just mix it up a little bit so the flavor just kind of spreads throughout the lentils. Like I said, you could serve it with chapati, you could serve it with rice. You could serve this with the 5-minute bread or the turmeric bread. Oh my god, there are so many options. But I often when I make this, I would just have it with just a bowl of dal, top it with some yogurt if you have, and some cumin powder if you're adding the yogurt. But this on its own is amazing as well. That kick of that chili, because it was a hot chili, and that amchur powder. Like I said, if you don't and can't find mango powder, then please just squeeze some lime juice right now when it's finished. It is so gorgeous. Oh my god. I hope you're gonna give this a go very soon. Don't leave.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Let me know which is your favorite lentils. There are so many. And if you need any help with lentils, then I have shared a recipe of all different kinds of lentils. I have shared a video of all different kinds of lentils. I will leave the link in the description box. Bye for now.